Hi everyone, Gino here from Gino's Reviews, and today I'm going to be going over Bloxburg working tips and tricks. Well, not really tricks, but mainly, yeah. So this is probably the number one thing I suggest doing, and that is making like a little thing to get all your moods up, mood station or whatever. So this is generally made by kind of just getting a TV on a wall, a little box with a TV, and find comfort, or not comfort, but plumbing. Get a little tilt bath. A little fridge and a counter, or not that. You want a fridge? Okay, fridge is for your food and the counters are to place stuff on. I suggest doing salads. This is for your hygiene, the bathtub. Then the TV is for your entertainment. And actually that's for your energy and your hygiene. Another way to do it is all that, but with a bed to get your energy up quicker. So you generally want to get all your stats up. Hold on, let me turn this down. Okay, first you take a quick meal. Actually no. Okay, so you want to go to your fridge, take ingredients, get a garden salad, and make it all over on your counter. That's generally why you get a counter. Oh, now I have to mix it. There is better stuff to do, but this for me just works the best. How long does it take to get a salad? Okay, you want to place that down there, turn on your TV and click watch. Go and use the bath. Wait, watch. Oh. You watch and you use. Now make sure that's going up. Then you, or not take, but take proportion and eat that too until your hunger goes up. Sometimes if your hunger's low enough, you're going to have to make more than one. But usually, you should only eat one. Take proportion. Here we go. Okay. So once that's all up, you go and sleep to get your energy up more if you decided to go with the bed. Okay, once you have everything up as much as you can go, you usually want to go delivery person because that seems to make the most. Once you're done teleporting. Then the one thing I suggest not doing is being one of the people that just goes around asking people to donate. That doesn't make any money at all. You just want to work and get your shift earnings up. I find it, I like to watch TV or something while I'm doing it, like half screen my computer or something. But you can just kind of sit here and do this. It's kind of a mindless thing to do. But yeah, I'm level 28, so I make a lot, but yeah, But yeah, delivery person is the best job, makes the most, and I suggest to not just stare at your money going up in the seconds. I suggest hiding that or something and watching TV. That's what I do, and you should be good. Just don't beg people, it gets really annoying. That's all I have to say is just don't do it. Because how many people actually donate from that? Like, if you think about it, this is going to make you a lot more than going around begging people. Just don't do it. But that's really the only kind of tips I have. And try to get high level in it. And, you know, you should be kind of good if you just work enough and don't beg people. And you want to make sure to get all your stats up. And you should, like, because when your stats are down, you don't make as much. Like, I would be making probably half of this if my moves were all down at 0. But yeah, really, those are the only things I can do for you. Now, I'm not necessarily rich. Like, there are people that have millions, but these are kind of just some tips I've seen going around and stuff. So that's what I suggest doing. And soon enough, you should get high level, making a lot of money in short periods of time and stuff. And you can pass these tips along and stuff if you must. But yeah. So that's all I have. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Leave a comment and to see what kind of videos you want to see next. And thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.